Welcome back to another video, and on today's video we're going to be doing a recap of everything that we know about Ondas Holdings before Q3 earnings. And at the end of this video we'll be doing a giveaway for the 800 subscriber mark, and if you would like to get involved in the next giveaway at 900, then don't forget to comment on the videos and like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. So for anybody that is new to the stock, what is Ondas Holdings? Ondas Holdings breaks up of two arms now, which is Ondas Holdings and a recent venture which is Ondas Capital. Ondas next-gen wireless solutions for industrial and defence innovation. Ondas Holdings develops wireless data and drone technology solutions for industrial and government markets. Their platforms enable secure, high performance and communication and autonomous drone operations throughout subsidiaries, Ondas Networks and Air Robotics. They serve sectors like rail, energy, defence, with American-made NDAA compliance systems. Their main business focus, Ondas' line of focus, their balance sheet and backlog this year has improved massively, and Ondas will be going into Q3 earnings with a healthy cash position on a balance sheet and a $22 million backlog. The network and rail, Ondas reported $6.3 million in revenue for Q2 25, with $6.1 million generated by its autonomous systems division. Although the networks, the rail segment, contributes only around 0.2 million, the company estimates a 1.3 billion plus total addressable market for the North American rail sector alone. The OAS, which is the drones, accounted for 6.1 million in Q2 25 revenue, with Ondas estimating a total addressable market of roughly $130 billion. In Q3, the company further strengthened its order book with a new $3.5 million contract. So the new additions to the team, Ondas welcomes 6 outstanding individuals this quarter, further strengthening the depth and expertise of its leadership and advisory team. Their combined experience across defence, technology and global strategy positions the company for accelerated growth and innovation moving forward. So we had James Acuna, who is a leading Ondas Capital and strategic advisor for Ondas Capital. Mark Green, who was appointed head of global corporate development of M&A. We had Carl Easy, which is appointed UK Strategic Advisor to Ondas Capital. We had Patrick Houston, who's added to the advisory board of the Autonomous System segment. Mary O'Brien is part of the Strategic Advisors for Ondas Capital. And Arthur Moorish is a Strategic Advisor for Ondas Capital as well. So the network and rail. The network and rail didn't see really a lot of publicity like this year, but there is things happening in the background, and in the interview with Eric Brock, he also said that the network and rail in the next 6 to 12 months would be taking a really positive turn. So July 2025 completed the first 802.16 network build-out on a 900 MHz band for major Class 1 railroads in Chicago, marking a key milestone towards full US rail deployment. The .16 platform was officially selected by the Association of American Railroads for the next generation train communications. The network segment generated 0.2 million in Q2 25, as focus remains on validation, field testing and long-term contract readiness. The North American rail market represents a $1.3 billion opportunity, positioning Ondas for large-scale rollout momentum into 2026. Partnerships, acquisitions and strategic investments, how Ondas has been using their money. Rift Dynamics was a strategic partner. Safe Pro Group was a strategic investment. LightPath Technologies, strategic investment. Kopin Corporation was another strategic investment. Smart Precision Optics was an acquisition. And Apeiro Motion was another acquisition. Ondas has been spending a lot of money and have been spending it smart. And let's break it down. So Rift Dynamics. In early 25, Ondas Holdings formed an initial strategic partnership and investment with Rift Dynamics, gaining exclusive US rights to its WASP drone platform. In Q3 25, Ondas Holdings expanded its partnership with Rift Dynamics to include Nammo, Rufus, a leading Norwegian defence munitions company. The collaboration delivers the WASP drone system, a low-cost, high-performance autonomous drone platform, integrating Rift's airframe technology with Nammo's smart munitions. Ondas secured exclusive US distribution rights and placed an initial order of 500 WASP units for the American defence market. The system is being localised for NDAA compliant, American-made production, strengthening Ondas' footprint in a US defence ecosystem. This move positions Ondas as a front-runner in the emerging drone segment, a multi-billion-dollar growth market. Safe Pro Group. In 2025, Ondas Holdings participated in 2 funding rounds with Safe Pro Group. a leader in AI-powered drone imagery and computer vision analytics for defence and humanitarian applications. The first round, August 25, involved 2 million shares at $4 and 2 million warrants at $6 as part of an 8 million private placement that could scale to 20 million. Although Ondas' exact allocation was not publicly disclosed, since that round, SafePro's share price has nearly doubled, marking an early return on investment momentum for Ondas. A follow-on 14 million round October 25, led by Ondas, further strengthened integration of SafePro's AI systems into Ondas autonomous system platforms. These investments solidify Ondas' presence in the rapidly expanding AI-driven defense and drone intelligence market. LightPath Technologies. Ondas entered into a definitive agreement on September 15, 25 to participate in an 8 million private placement of LightPath's common stock. The offering of 1.6 million shares at $5 each, with Ondas committing $4 million of the total alongside Unusual Machines. Since the investment, LightPath's share price has surged by over 70%, reflecting growing investor confidence in its expanding defense and drone optics strategy. The proceeds are earmarked for LightPath's commercialization initiatives in drone-mounted optics and imagery systems, specifically to reduce size, weight and cost of infrared camera systems while addressing key supply chain challenges. Ondas stated that LightPath technology broadens applications for drone platforms across rail, energy, defense, public safety and industrial sectors through enhanced mission-ready imagery performance. Kopin Corporation. In September 25, Ondas Holdings participated in Kopin's Corporation's 41 million private placement, joining a select group of strategic defence and technology investors. The raise included 19.5 million shares at $2 each, $2.10 each, aimed at accelerating microdisplay and optical technology development for defence, drone and AI visualization systems. While Ondas' exact investment amount was not disclosed, Kopin's share price has since doubled, reflecting growing market confidence in its next-generation display and optics roadmap. The investment aligns with Ondas' focus on AI integrated microdisplays, AR and VR systems, and NDAA-compliant imagery technology, strengthening its position in the US defense and autonomous system ecosystem. Smart Precision Optics, or SPO. On August 26th, Ondas entered into a definitive agreement to acquire a controlling 51% stake in SPO, an Israeli manufacturer of advanced precision optic components for defense systems. SPO's capabilities span optical designs, polishing, coating and full assemblies serving missile defense, counter-drone and high-power weapon systems, giving Ondas a strong foothold in mission-critical optics. The acquisition aligns with Ondas' strategy to scale its global platform and bring in-house optics expertise to support its autonomous drone and wireless network portfolio. While financial details were not initially disclosed, later filing suggests the stake was acquired for approximately $6 million. Apeiro Motion. In August 25, Ondas completed the acquisition of 100% of Apeiro Motion, an Israeli developer of advanced ground robotics and fiber optic communication systems, for approximately $12 million. Apeiro's portfolio includes rugged quadruplet robots, unmanned ground vehicles or UGVs, robotic arms, and fiber optic spools designed for secure radio-independent communications across drones, UGVs and missile systems. The deal expands Ondas' reach into ground robotics and secure communications, reinforcing its multi-domain autonomy strategy across air and land platforms. Apeiro is projected to generate over $12 million in revenue in 25, targeting a UGV market valued at more than $3 billion. Ondas' balance sheet and key milestones, solid foundations and rapid growth. They've got $800 million on the balance sheet now, with 5 total dilutions or capital raising events this year. They've also done 4 strategic partnerships and investments, 2 successful acquisitions, and a $22 million plus backlog. The key factors to watch for now, important for long-term growth. Green and blue UAS. Now, if you do get green, you do automatically get blue now, but we are due an update any time now, which is really important. And if we don't, we would be expecting an update in Q3 earnings results. The deployment of the capital. How do Ondas Capital and Ondas Holdings now use this cash flow? It's very important that they keep growing, keep acquiring great businesses and keep reinvesting that cash. Their 4-year guidance for 25 was 25 million, I believe. I feel like we're going to completely smash this and surpass it. sustained growth. It's really important that we get new contracts and orders. They really matter, but this goes hand in hand with getting the green and blue UAS. Closing statements and PTs. Where do I see this company going, and why would I invest now? The incredible CEO and management team, absolutely fantastic across the board. The partnerships and acquisitions speak for themselves. All are either generating revenue or driving the company's growth. My PT was 8 for end of this year, and my PT for the end of 26 was 20. As you can see, I do hold significant positions in both in this stock, and I've got full faith in it going forward. I really do like the whole team. I like how they're set up, and I like the growth of this year. Yes, it has done a bit of a retrace from 1160 where it reached, but this stock has had phenomenal growth this year. And if you are interested in learning more about these stocks, I was fortunate enough to interview both CEO Eric Brock and Ondas Capital's lead advisor James Acuna, two highly intelligent and insightful leaders who share incredible perspectives on the company and its future. And if you are interested in those videos, they will be in the description. And as I said before, if you want to get him in on the other giveaways, make sure you comment on the video, like the video and subscribe, and let's get into the giveaway. Firstly, I want to say thank you for all the support. As you can see, we've had 139 comments over the last 4 videos, and the support's been phenomenal on the channel lately, and we continue to grow. Obviously, the next one will be at 900. If you're already watching the videos, it makes perfect sense for you to just drop a comment on there. I get engagement, you get yourself in with a chance of winning a prize. As you can see, there's multiple people with the same name down here. That's because they've commented on multiple videos, so they get multiple chances. So we're going to do 4 prizes today. We're going to do £100, which is cash. We can do it as a voucher, send, whatever. 50, which is also a send or cash, whatever you want to do with it. And obviously the last one will be a year subscription to the Discord server. That one's not tradable, and that is also worth of 50 as well. So again, I do keep track of all the people that win, and I'll get screenshots of all the profiles. There's a lot of scammers about that try and take people's prize money. So of course you will have to prove that the account is yours. So without further ado, the first person who's going to be winning £100 from the channel today is going to be, who's the first one going to be? The Honest Swings. So there we go. So you are the winner of the £100. So congratulations, and thank you for commenting on the videos and being a part of the channel. It's appreciative. So the second person who's going to be winning 50 is going to be, who's the second person going to be? What is he going to stop on? Can't say that, but Quad, I think it is. Congratulations, and thank you for supporting the channel. You just won 50. Let me know you want that and reach out to me. And the third and final person is going to be, for the year subscription in the Discord server, is going to be Fuse Hub. So again, guys, thank you all for your continued support on the channel. Appreciate it. And get a comment, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.